In this video, I am showing you my personal budget favorite skincare products of 2023. All of these products I pulled out of my own skincare stockpile. This is not sponsored. These are products that I have been using all year long and love. They do such a good job on the skin and they come at very affordable price points. Everything will be linked in the description of this video. You guys, this is going to be a quick blitz. I promise I'm going to try to stick to that because you know I love to talk, but I have actually a lot of deep dives on many of these products on my channel. I will link those below. So we're not going to go too in detail because there's a lot of great products. So we're going through them rapid fire. Let's go. But first, you know I'm going to shake you down to subscribe to my channel. If you are not subscribed, let's go. We talk about skincare education here. I help you fix your skin without overspending. Deep dives on product reviews, curate skincare routines, all of that. Hit subscribe and come say hi on Instagram at The Budget Dermatologist for more tips and Q&As over there. Okay, quick blitz. I promise I am not going on too many tangents. Let me show you my favorite budget pick product for the lips of this past year. This year, 2023, has been like the year of the lips. There have been so many brands coming out with so many lip plumping products and devices and everything. Let's narrow it down to one top budget pick. Bam, by the Inkey list, the Peptide Plumping Lip Balm. This was actually sold out for a while, but it's back in stock at least right now. This is very affordable and it's very similar to some of the other more expensive lip balms. Like the ingredients, the formulation of this is almost identical to some other more expensive one, like the Paula's Choice one is almost the same and they feel the same. So this is clear and this goes on just like this. A plumping lip balm over time. This is not an instant plump like the Dr. Dennis Gross one. This is over time, plumps, hydrates your lips, restores them, peptides, helps maintain and build collagen. Do not sleep on this product. Get it before it sells out again. Maybe they'll have another sale by the end of the year. On Black Friday, this was 25% off. Actually, the site was 25% off, but this was out of stock. So I'm talking too much. Best budget lip product of the year is this, hands down, linked below. And from the Inkey list, I think this was a new launch this year. My other favorite, I have like 2 to 3 favorite budget sunscreens, new ones that I have tried this year. And the Inkey list has one of them, the polyglutamic acid SPF 30, a dewy finish sunscreen, chemical-based, no white cast, no tint. So this could be good for anybody's skin tone. I have more on this sunscreen and other videos, so no deep dive here, but just know that one of the best budget sunscreens of the year is from the Inkey list. So I'm linking this below. My other favorite under $10 budget sunscreen of the year. I doubt this is a new one from this year, but it's new to me. I just discovered it the last half of this year when I did my vitamin C deep dive. Banana Boat protection plus vitamins, SPF 50. It has vitamin C in it. So it's very simple, basic sunscreen. White, chemical-based sunscreen, but the vitamin C is what makes this different and it's so affordable. So I love the price point. Vitamin C gives you extra antioxidant protection on the skin. So if you want a really good workhorse sunscreen with antioxidants in it for all of your outdoor adventures, whatever, get this one. I'll link this below. I get mine at Amazon. And then a good one under makeup on a daily basis. This one, I'm also linking it below. Next, let's talk about peptides. If you've been following my channel along this year, you know that I have gone off the deep end on peptides this year. So much education and product reviews. I think it's such a cool ingredient to put into your skincare routine for anti-aging and just skin health in general. So I have a favorite peptide serum that isn't exactly, I would say, super budget, so I didn't put it in this video. I'll link it below if you're interested. Did a whole deep dive video on that. But I've gotten so many questions about peptide eye products, and I found I think this is new this year, it's new to me at least, a peptide eye serum on a budget that I actually really like. This one by The Ordinary, the multi-peptide eye serum. Now let me show you. This comes in a little dropper bottle. And it's just a little bit viscous, so a little bit thicker of a serum, which is really good right under the under eyes. Now, let me tell you who and how to put this in your routine, a peptide eye serum. I'm going on a tangent, but let me be quick about this. I only like to use eye products if they have a certain ingredient in them to actually be anti-aging. Otherwise, just use your moisturizer. So My number one pick, anti-aging ingredient for an eye product would be retinaldehyde, like the Aven product that I love and use. My second ingredient would be bakuchiol, like the Tula eye product that I use and love. And then my third ingredient that I recommend is a peptide like this one. Really affordable. I'm linking this below. So between retinaldehyde, bakuchiol, and peptides, I would use them kind of in that order for anti-aging. If you cannot tolerate a retinaldehyde, try bakuchiol. If you can't tolerate that, try a peptide serum. So another big trend of the year has been skin barrier repair products. Just about every brand has come out with one. And the one that I really love, one of my favorite budget skin barrier repair products of the year, is also by The Ordinary. It's the Soothing and Barrier Support Serum. So this contains lipids. Look at this, it's so cool. Lipids, ceramides, other epidermal barrier repair ingredients. It's really nice. So basically, this is going to go on your skin. I put a lot there, I hate to waste this. This is gonna go on your skin after you cleanse. Put a little bit of this on. You can put a moisturizer over it and repair your skin day and night. You can use this up to twice a day. A very great price point. And you can use this to reset your skin barrier without breaking the bank. I'm linking this one below. So here is my favorite hydrating serum of the year by Aven, the Hyaluron Active B3 hyaluronic acid plus. I think this has 6% niacinamide in it. So it's really a hyaluronic acid niacinamide hybrid serum. And I'm putting this in my budget video because this is actually really affordable compared to other drugstore brands. And Aven in general has some amazing products, you know, if you know about my love for Aven, but they can be a little more pricey, but this is actually really affordable for the Aven line of products. And I got this on 30% off. It was just on sale. It's probably going back on sale for 25% off. So I will link that below, which makes this very affordable for such a high quality combination serum. The thing about this is it is extremely hydrating on the skin when you are having like irritated, peeling skin, or just really dry skin this winter. Put a layer of this on under your moisturizer and your skin is going to be peak maximum hydrated. It is amazing. So this year, this product has replaced Vichy Mineral 89, which you know is one of my all-time holy grails. I love that product so much. I love the feel of it on the skin. I still love it, but this product is very similar to that in terms of the hyaluronic acid, but this also has the 6% niacinamide. So I feel like I'm just getting more out of this product. They're basically the same price and it's so hydrating. So this has been probably one of my top 3 favorite products of the entire year. So hydrating on the skin. I'm linking it below. New cleansers of 2023 that I have been absolutely obsessed with and on a major budget, starting with Versed, the purest antioxidant cleanser. This is right around $10 and it is the best gentle cleanser. It does not irritate the skin. It does a great job removing makeup and dirt and oil from the skin and leaving your skin feeling clean without stripped. I'm linking it below. You cannot beat it. I can tell you time and time again, do not overspend on cleansers. Save that part of your budget for your treatment products in your routine. Go with a budget gentle cleanser like this one. It's amazing. And another new launch by Versed this year that I never really thought I would put in my routine or love so much is this, the Buff It Out AHA Exfoliating Body Scrub. This is basically empty, but I'll see if I can get a little bit more out. So it has a little squeeze top, keep this in your shower. This is an exfoliating body scrub. I am not about exfoliating products, except for a very few select exfoliating products that actually work without stripping the skin, and this is one of them. The reason I am okay with this product and actually love it is because the exfoliator in this, the grit, is so fine that you can so gently apply it to your skin to get a more smooth, polished surface area without feeling like stripped or ruined, basically. So I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get any else out of this, but I wanna kind of show you. I don't know that you can really be able to appreciate, oh, I got some, much from this video, because like I said, it is such a fine tint, it's such a fine grit, but you can kind of tell. It is so nice. I use this maybe twice a week on the body, in the shower. I'm linking it below, you guys. This is really, really good, affordable. Do not overspend on an exfoliating body scrub. I see so many of these brands have like $40, $50 exfoliating body products. This one is affordable. It will do the job amazingly. So I'm linking this below. Two other amazing budget products I'm going to show you by Versed. This one, it is not new this year, but this is a jumbo size of it, which I think is new. The Day Dissolve Cleansing Balm, one of my all-time favorite cleansing balms for double cleansing and removing makeup from the face. So the jumbo size, which makes this even more affordable. And this one, I think this is new for this year, the Total Package Mineral SPF Body Lotion. This is amazing to use on your arms and legs. The most subtle little white cast to this, very subtle, not enough to really notice it or worry about using it on a daily basis. But I love this because it really feels more like a lotion, less like a sunscreen. So this is going to be what you should be putting on your skin every day. If you're going to be wearing short sleeves and shorts, they're going to be outside, even just running errands, doing stuff like that. This is your go-to, new one by Versed, super affordable. I'm linking it below. So let's keep rolling with the body products here. My favorite budget anti-aging body product of the year is this one by Gold Bond, the Age Renew Retinol Overnight Body and Face Lotion. I just use this on the body. I don't put this on my face, but I guess you could. So I love this because it is, I'll show you, very thick texture. So it's really good overnight to just layer it on and let it do its job. Super affordable. Get this at the drugstore. I'm going to link this below. You can get this at Amazon, I think. Super hydrating, retinol ingredient in it to smooth your skin texture and skin tone on the body, just like we do on your face. You can also do that on your body. You can find retinol body lotions by a lot of brands. They can be $30, $40 or more. This one, I actually love the texture and finish of this more than some of the expensive ones. It's amazing. It's a workhorse. So this is what's going to go on at night. So the other budget body product I discovered this year is by Good Molecules. It's the B5 Hydrating Body Serum. So look at this. Thin texture, body serum. So this is very lightweight and it absorbs in really nicely. This has B5 in it, which is panthenol, I think. So very soothing to the skin. So this is how I have been using this product. So this at night to restore and rejuvenate, thick, hydrating when you wake up in the morning. I put just a little layer of this over the arms and legs. It dries very quickly and it does not leave the skin feeling like tacky or greasy, and you can just put clothes right over it, leggings, whatever, just goes right over it. And it keeps the skin so hydrated. It's at such an amazing price point. So I'm linking this one below. So this has pretty much been my body routine on a budget this year. Nighttime, morning hydration, and even a layer of this over it if you're going to be outside, wearing shorts, short sleeves. This little budget routine right here, all of these are linked below. Now let's talk about the best budget vitamin C serum of the year. For me, it's this one by Vanicream Vitamin C Serum. This contains 5% tetrahexyldecyl ascorbate form of vitamin C, which is the most stable, the least irritating. So I love this for the skin. I have a whole video on this, so I'm not going to talk anymore about this now, but I am going to link it below. If you have sensitive skin, you are new to vitamin C, start here. You cannot go wrong. Next, let's talk about budget nail care. I did a whole video on anti-aging nails, how to fix brittle nails, and I highlighted a couple nail products by Derm. These are two of the ones that I highlighted, the Peptide and Biotin infused anti-aging ridge filler, and again, Peptide and Biotin infused base coat. These are going to do an absolute amazing job, I have it on my nails here, at strengthening the nail. These have nail hardeners in it, and then nourishing and hydrating the nails with some of their other added ingredients. I put that video up back in November and I shot it like at least a couple weeks before it went up. And look, I have the nail polish on my fingers still from when I shot that video, and they, I don't know if you can see it, they have not cracked. The nail polish has not peeled. It's been on a very long time, and look how long my nails are. They have not been this long in forever. So I just cannot say enough good stuff about the nail system from Derm. I'm going to link these below. They are not crazy expensive for some of the other products you can find on Amazon to fix the nails, and they're simply amazing. So natural looking, so strong, no breakage. I think these are so amazing. They're linked below. I'm gonna round this out with two of my favorite Amazon skincare purchases this year. Frownies facial patches to help fix wrinkles around the eyes and the forehead. I have several videos on my channel of this year. I really loved this, and I think it's such a neat addition as a Botox alternative. Linking this below. And then You guys have seen me use these. I just got these 2 new sets recently from Amazon, my 3-piece skincare sets. I love these so much. So I just got these. These go on the wrists when you wash your face and do your skincare routine. So no drips, headband. I'm gonna link these below. I cannot do my skincare routine without them. So that is my full budget favorite skincare products of 2023 roundup. I try to go as quickly as I can without doing deep dives. But if you want more information on any one of those products, check out my list of videos below. I probably go into more detail there, or comment. I'll try to answer some questions. What do you guys love the most? Let us know below. Now, there are a few other products that I have been using and loving this year that I would consider a little bit more pricey. They don't exactly fit within the budget category, so I'm gonna save those for a different video. If you are wanting to see what else I've been using and loving this year and think is worth the splurge, check out the next video I post on my channel. I'll go into a little deep dive, shortened hopefully, on some other amazing products this year. If you're looking for something else that you did not find in this video, everything will be linked below in the description. Let me know what budget products that you have tried and loved this year. We can all learn from each other, and make sure you're subscribed. Come say hi on Instagram. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.